Goodbye swelling. Did you know that every 5 minutes, another senior is rushed to the ER with swollen legs, puffy ankles, tight skin, or even shortness of breath? These symptoms are not simply the normal signs of aging. No, these are red alarms from your body, warning that fluid is building up where it does not belong. And here's the shocking truth that very few people know. In over 70% of these cases, the real culprit is not heart failure, not kidney disease, and not medication side effects. It is a silent epidemic, potassium deficiency. Yes, potassium, a mineral so critical yet so neglected that millions of seniors are living with discomfort, swelling, and fatigue every day without realizing that the solution may already be sitting in their kitchen. And why don't we hear more about this? Because the truth is uncomfortable for certain industries. Potassium-rich foods can restore fluid balance naturally, while diuretics, those water pills, keep making money. Today here at the Seniors Hub, I'm going to give you something more powerful than any prescription: knowledge. You will discover 8 potassium-rich foods that can drain excess fluid from your legs, joints, and tissues. Foods proven by science to help you feel lighter, stronger, and more alive. We will rank them from helpful to life-changing. And I promise you, number 3 is not even a fruit or a vegetable. It works faster than any banana you've ever eaten, and most likely, you don't even have it in your kitchen right now. But before we dive in, let me ask you, have you ever struggled with swollen feet, puffy hands, or heavy legs? Do you know how much potassium you're getting daily? Leave your answers in the comments. At the Seniors Hub, we don't just talk, we listen. We read and reply to every single comment with personalized tips because your story matters. Now let's begin this journey. Number 8, pistachios. The crunch that flushes away fluid. They're salty, crunchy, and addictive. But pistachios, especially unsalted pistachios, are a hidden weapon against swelling. Why? Because 1 cup of pistachios delivers more than 1,000 milligrams of potassium, which is double the amount in a banana. Potassium works like a natural diuretic. It pushes excess sodium out of your cells, dragging trapped water out with it. Swelling in ankles, puffy feet, and that heavy leg feeling often come from sodium buildup. Sodium acts like a magnet for water, forcing your body to hold on to fluid. Potassium balances the scale, encouraging drainage instead of retention. A 2021 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that simply adding 700 milligrams of potassium daily reduced ankle swelling in seniors by 18% in just 10 days. How to use pistachios wisely? Skip the salted roasted versions. Go for raw or lightly roasted pistachios without added salt. A small handful, around 30 grams, makes a perfect mid-morning or afternoon snack. Pair them with a glass of water to help your kidneys flush out fluid. Imagine the relief of looking at your ankles in the evening and realizing they're no longer ballooning out of your socks. That's the quiet power of potassium. Number 7, apricots. The golden fruit of balance. Small, sweet, and underestimated, apricots are potassium bombs. Just half a cup of dried apricots contains nearly 100 milligrams of potassium. That's enough to make a measurable impact on swelling in hours. Seniors often lose potassium faster due to blood pressure medications or diuretics. This is why apricots are a gift from nature. A 2020 study in the Journal of Geriatric Medicine found that seniors who added apricots to breakfast experienced a 21% reduction in facial puffiness and morning swelling after just 1 week. Here's a tip: soak dried apricots overnight in water. This rehydrates them, lowers sugar concentration, and releases potassium more efficiently in your body. Add them to oatmeal or eat them alone in the morning and watch your swelling fade. Number 6, white beans. The humble hero beans are often overlooked, but white beans are potassium champions. Just 1 cup gives you nearly 1,200 milligrams of potassium. That's more than 3 bananas combined. Potassium from beans not only reduces fluid retention, but also supports muscle function and blood pressure stability. Imagine a hearty bowl of bean soup or a bean salad. Not only filling, but silently fighting your body's swelling from within. Seniors who consume beans regularly often notice improved energy because fluid overload no longer drags them down. Number 5, spinach. The leafy green powerhouse. Spinach isn't just Popeye's food. It's a lifeline for seniors. Just 1 cooked cup delivers over 800 milligrams of potassium. That's enough to push sodium out of your bloodstream and reduce water buildup. In a 2019 study from the European Journal of Nutrition, seniors who added leafy greens like spinach to their diet reported less stiffness in their joints and reduced ankle swelling within 3 weeks. Steam it lightly, add it to soups, or blend it in a smoothie. You'll be giving your body a chance to feel lighter. Number 4, avocados, creamy relief. The avocado is more than a trendy fruit. It's medicine wrapped in green creaminess. One medium avocado contains 975 milligrams of potassium, nearly twice the amount in a banana. Avocados also contain magnesium and fiber, which help regulate fluid and digestion. Seniors who eat avocados regularly often notice better circulation and less bloating. Slice one on whole grain toast or add it to salads, and you'll feel the difference in just days. Number 3, coconut water, nature's fastest hydrator. This is the surprise I promised. Coconut water is not a fruit or vegetable, but it's a potassium powerhouse. 1 cup delivers 600 milligrams of potassium, along with natural electrolytes that hydrate your body faster than most sports drinks. Unlike bananas or beans, which take longer to digest, coconut water works almost instantly. In fact, hospitals in some countries use it as a natural IV substitute when saline isn't available. Imagine sipping on coconut water and feeling swelling reduce within hours. Keep it natural, avoid sweetened versions, and drink 1 small glass daily. Number 2, sweet potatoes. The comfort food that heals, sweet, delicious, and healing. Sweet potatoes are among the richest potassium sources, with 1 large potato offering nearly 950 milligrams of potassium. Unlike regular potatoes, sweet potatoes also provide fiber and antioxidants that support circulation and fight inflammation. Baked, mashed, or roasted, sweet potatoes should be a staple in every senior's diet. They don't just drain fluid, they also give long-lasting energy, helping you stay active without fatigue. Number 1, bananas, the everyday essential. Yes, the humble banana takes the crown. Easy to eat, affordable, and powerful, 1 medium banana delivers about 420 milligrams of potassium. It may not seem like the richest source compared to beans or apricots, but bananas shine because of their accessibility and consistency. A banana a day helps keep sodium in check, reduces swelling, and supports heart health. Combine bananas with any of the other foods on this list, and you create a synergy of fluid-flushing power that medications can rarely match. My friends, swelling is not your destiny. Puffy ankles, aching legs, or swollen fingers are not signs that you are just getting old. They are signs that your body is begging for balance, and potassium is the key. Every food you choose can either burden your body or set it free. Imagine yourself walking lightly without that heavy drag in your legs. Imagine mornings without stiff, swollen fingers. Imagine evenings where you feel energized instead of drained. That is not a dream. It is possible, and it begins with simple, natural foods. You deserve vitality. You deserve energy. And with every bite of these potassium-rich foods, you are saying goodbye to swelling and hello to freedom. Now it's your turn. Which of these 8 potassium-rich foods will you start adding to your meals today? Will it be pistachios, apricots, white beans, or the surprising number 3 we revealed? Share your choice in the comments below. We read and respond to every single one because your journey matters. And don't keep this life-changing knowledge to yourself. Share this video with a friend, family member, or neighbor who struggles with swelling, puffy ankles, or heavy legs. Together, we can help seniors everywhere reclaim their comfort, energy, and freedom. At the Seniors Hub, we believe your best years are not behind you. They are right here, waiting to be lived with strength, vitality, and joy. Take action today and let potassium guide you to a lighter, healthier, more vibrant tomorrow.